Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a submersible battering conveyor. You see we have the upper conveyor, which submerges the product into the batter level in the raised position. It does have a manual stop there, holds it in place. It's about a 36-inch wide stainless steel mesh belt. Of course, has a bottom tank which would hold your batter. There is an overflow here, which goes down to the triclover outlet, and you can recirculate your batter. It does have facilities on it where a blower system could be mounted if you want to knock some of the excess batter off. It's operating on 220 volt, gear reduced motor. The upper conveyor will need a repair to its drive system. It's just missing the drive sprocket, which you see would be driven through this chain assembly right here on the end. It does have a small apron that mounts on the end there to catch anything off the end of the conveyor. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.